Hi everybody, so this task and assessment is regarding word association, mainly centred around technology project words, and we're going to talk about, or I'm going to talk to you about homonyms, which are words that are spelt the same but can have two or more different meanings. So in this case we're going to look in the centre column here at words that are associated with design technology. Okay, things like restriction, dimension, product, material. And in the left-hand column, we've got the meaning of those words. So if we look at the first one, this sets the scene showing that there is a problem to be solved. And that is basically the brief. So it's testing you there. And in the right-hand column, we've got an alternative meaning, except those alternative meanings through this column have been mixed up. So if we look there, look, we've got the word tone used in design tech, the brightness of a shade of colour, and that tone also means the overall quality of sound. And what you're tasked to do is to download this from the learning management system, whatever that might be, Sector or whatever. So upload this off Sector and then get it on your laptop, do yourself a copy, and you'll have control of the document for you to submit when informed when and how to do so. So have a look through this. There's a number of words there for you to go at. So that's the first thing you're going to do. Okay, now when it comes to putting these arrows in or to join things up electronically, all you have to do is go to Insert, there we go, look for shapes and just select an arrow, and you can drag the arrow there to there if that's what you think, and so on and so forth. You can say change the colour, the thickness, and so on and so forth. So on that there are a number of different arrows that you can have a go at. So insert shapes. We've got arrows that are kinked or bent and squiggly ones and all sorts there for you to use. You decide. You might find that the text doesn't get distorted, but it might move slightly. But as you work through it, you can save your work as you go. So that's the first task. Now the second task is having a go at these homonyms for general words. So we've got back, compact, dessert, fair, lie, whatever. Okay, so have a go with those words. So look, one's been done for you. The word is fine, payment for doing something wrong, and also, let's have a look, describe something that is especially thin. So when you've done the design tech ones in task 1, have a go at the word association in task 2 for general words. Okay, make sure, please, you get your student name on your work so you can actually get rid of these dots and insert your name. And finally, for task 3, so again you'll go through insert shape, select your arrows. Task 3 is just some extension work. Create your own. So create your own. So there's about 10 boxes in the central column. You put your words in there in bold. You put their meanings in the left-hand column, and then jumble up an alternative meaning in this right-hand column. When you have done that, so when you've done it and you've checked it, what I would like you to do, again, insert, shapes, select your arrow, join them up, however the case may be, save it, and there you go. Okay, so task 1 is for design technology words, and one of them's done for you as an example. Task 2 are general words of homonyms, and task 3 is for you to have a go yourself. A bit of extension work there. Make sure you put your name when you download or upload this from the learning management system, wherever that might be. When you've got hold of that, make sure you copy and save it to your desktop or save it somewhere where you can actually have a go at this. You'll be informed at a later date of where and when to submit it. Have a go at that. Thank you very much.